Hey, so did you know that getting your own TV channel is actually possible? Did you know that we can get your company, brands, and products in front of millions of potential viewers, not just people who view your content and absorb your marketing, but actually subscribe and download your channel to their devices, such as on Roku, which has millions of viewers and growing worldwide? Meaning they come back and view more and more of your content. And if you're struggling with content, that's easy. We've got you covered on that too. Got your attention, right? Thought so. We don't just stop there. We also offer channel creation services in other places such as Amazon Fire and host an online web feed helping to draw in even more viewers across different networks and more. You'll be able to find out more about our services shortly. We've experienced TV channel owners draw in tens of thousands of customers to install their channels within weeks. Install meaning they come back time and time again. Can you imagine what good that does for your exposure, your branding, and message? Here's a couple of stats. Roku remains the leader among Conviva's customer base of connected TV devices with a steady 40% share of viewing hours. Yet, Amazon Fire TV is growing rapidly with a 500% increase in share of viewing hours. This means that it's a growing audience we have for you. Here's a fun fact. Connect TV, also known as online television, has overtaken cable TV as of April the 19th. Eye-opening, right? And on these old cable channels, it costs a small fortune for one advert. Using our own service, you can have your own television channel with your own content or ours that will help push your business forward, build your brand, authority, and more importantly, get you the visitors you need. Find out more today.